Hey YouTube, this is going to be a quick trade recap from a trade that I took today, not today, yesterday. Here you can see me pointing out an inversion fair value gap on the 15 minute. This is going to be a voiceover. I didn't record this trade, I forgot about it. And so I'm going to walk you through my thought process as best as I can. This is going to be a quick one. So this reddish box is the yellow, is the Asian session range. And we have tapped the inversion fair value gap on the 15 minute. I'm doing the bar replay as I didn't record this on TradingView. So now we've tapped it. It is 2 a.m. New York time, which is the time I sit down on my charts and start trading or looking for a setup. Now we can see there's a breaker in market structure. Okay, and now you'll see a formation of an order block, which I will mention, I will depict it. Yep, there it is, a bearish order block. This could be the first entry with more confirmation that we're already bearish, or we're starting to be bearish from the inversion fair value gap, from taking the Asian session high. Notice that we didn't even went to the upper quadrant of the inversion fair value gap. We stayed in the lower quadrant. This is another order block that's formed with the fair value gap, and that's where I entered the trade. Now I'm denoting the first possible entry. I took the second possible entry. And yeah, as you can see, the price just melted. Here I'm depicting the Asian session low, which usually can be it's almost like a mental target for me, as I usually target fix risk to reward, but it's always good when you take one side of the Asian range. You can target the 50% of the Asian range or the opposing liquidity, which is the Asian low if you're shorting. You'll see that we will form a fair value gap, and we will start to retrace into it, which could be a secondary or in this case a third entry or scale in if you want. We're close to the Asian low, so it's the probability lowers, but it's something that if you're up for the day or whatever and you want to play with some profits, you can. There's certainly a possibility. And we're not even in the London session, the true London session at 3 a.m, right? We're in Frankfurt open still, so you may have another opportunity to enter or to reverse. We never know what can happen. And there we go. We have reached the Asia low, and we have reached the Asia low at 3 a.m, so that's not random. We reached it at a key time, and then we proceeded to go lower and lower and lower. And here I'm pointing out the 5-minute trade, which was literally a 5-minute trade. Price just melted. Here in the 15-minute, you can see the retracement on at 4 a.m., 4:30 a.m. New York time. And then we proceeded lower, as I mentioned. So yeah, that's pretty much the trade recap for this trade. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.